All right, we have some supplies from the December 2020 surprise from Smile Create Repeat, and we're going to make a greeting card, and we're going to use, this is going to be a two-part video series. It's going to be drawing with my Kimberly 2B pencil, and then we're going to use some gel pens and see what we can do with those, the different colors. All right. I'm going to be drawing Santa. So I'm just drawing some lines to get his head and face going. And Santa with a twist, I think. Now we got his hat. And those are the eyes. And his ears. His head comes down. And it's 2020, so we know he has a mask on. But how does he do that with that beard? You just got to do it. It comes out, and he's got a big beard. And smile. Gonna add some typography. It's Christmas. That one's a little off. That's because I needed room down here, of course, to write 2020. Because why else would Santa have a mask? And I think I'm going to change, let's redo that MAS. And that was dark writing, but it's a 2B, so it's going to make dark marks, but you don't have to push hard. You don't push hard, so you can erase them pretty easily. And then let's make the S over here. And then there we go, now we have room for the A. All right, and that's his beard. All right, so that's the pencil drawing. And we'll get to the inking part